guys, and welcome again at my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open a CPU from Intel. I did that long ago, but at that time I had not a good camera like I have now. So I will update my video now, and I will show you now how to open an i7 920 from socket 1366. And yeah, they are a bit hard to get open, but I will show you how this works. So guys, like you can see, my Noctua cooler here, I have lapped him long ago also. And here's the CPU now. So let me focus this now. The difficult thing on the newest Intel CPUs is that they don't use a normal thermal compound, we can say. They use something like, I don't know how to explain this. This is something like salt, you know. So you will not be able to get this heat shield up here. It's a bit difficult, but I will show you now how this works. Here also you got this silicone, and you must cut first out the silicone, and then you need an oven, and then we will open it. So guys, you need to know that here in the middle, like you can see on this small space, on the i7 Intel processors, they have here also small transistors about here inside, okay? Then you take a cutter like this here, and you try first easy to cut the silicon out. This is a black silicon here, yeah? You try first to cut it a bit out, and you cut it all around, okay? And then you try to press a little bit with a bit more power inside, and if you see that the knife is going inside like this space here, like you can see, you see? Yeah? Then you can be sure that you have done the most, you see? Look, it's very great in. Now you go to the other side, and you can see now again that we already are in again. Okay, so if you done this, if we do this, then you get in about 3 or 5 minutes. This is no problem. So, but you see, now we are in again. If you have done all these 4 sides here, then you can be sure that the most of the silicone is out, because now this goes down here. Yeah, I hope you can see that. And don't go too much inside, because like I really told, here in the middle it's not a normal thermal compound. This is something special. It's about, I think it's something with, I don't know, maybe it's kind of salt, you know. This just gets up when it gets hot. So that's why now you just first need to open this and get the silicone out. And the next step now is to get him hot here. And you can take your oven. I will show you this now. So now go to your oven and make him on, let him get hot. Yeah, I know this looks fucked up, but it's an old oven, it's no problem. You just make him hot, yeah, the highest level, we can see here, level 3 I have. And just make him hot. And then, yeah, just wait a bit. So, and now you put your knife again inside. You press it a bit down, yeah, not too much, and you better do at the side here, not at this side down, because like I told here, they have hidden some small transistors. So you put your knife inside here, you press a bit down, and then we will put this on the hot oven here now, or however it calls. Then you need some gloves for your hands, because this gets hot. So take yeah, something that you will not burn your fingers. Okay, and just take care here, don't get it too hot, the CPU, but it's really all no problem, because at fabrication, when they get made, they get also very hot. So don't panic, just be sure that you don't let it too much. First, this thing here must really be a lot hot, yeah? The first thing here, it must be very hot. It's also not recommended that you use a air gun, yeah? So take care, because the air gun gets a lot more hotter than this one here. And we don't need here 600 degrees or more. We just need a bit, so that this gets hot here and then it will come up. I will show you this now. Take some gloves or take your socks and yeah, I will show you this now. So guys, I've opened it. It was really not need that long. Yeah, let me put this here somewhere because it's still a bit hot. So guys, yeah, like I told, now you can see how easy it was to open it, and like I told, you just must take care because this is they are not here using the normal thermal compound. This is something like, yeah, I don't know, stuff like salt or like that. It gets just up when it gets hot, you see. This is something like salt here. A special metal. I don't know the name, but now I need to clean all, and then I will add a great thermal compound like the Arctic MX4. You can use also Arctic Silver 5, but at the time now I like the MX4 a bit more than the Arctic Silver 5. The MX2 is also a bit better than the MX4. Yeah, I hope you like this, guys. It's still a bit hot, but not that hot. And yeah, the CPU now without the heat shield is very it's very light. Yeah. Now you take your knife and then you need to yeah, to clean this here all. It's a bit fucked up because Intel uses now something special. I don't know what this is, but yeah, this you just can take this up when it gets hot. Okay, so don't try to get this heat shield up without to make him hot because it will break the chip, you know. So that's why take care. I already have opened a lot of CPUs. I just wanted now also to update my video because my first video was now I think 4 or 5 years ago, or maybe 3, I don't know, I can't remember, but this video is very old and the camera was not that good as mine now. Okay guys, I will finish this now, clean it all, and then I'll record again. So guys, I hope you can see this now. And like you can see, I have already tried with the knife to get a bit out. And this is some, I don't know how to call this shit here, but I don't like it that much. This is something, yeah, like metal or aluminium or whatever. This is a mix. Yeah, fucked up. I will clean this now. I just made it. I just recorded quick that you can see this stuff is a bit fucked up. And you can see the small holes also. So that's why I also don't like this that much. And so if you have problems with your CPU, now you know how to open it. If you have some questions, just ask me. I will clean this all now and I will keep recording. So guys, I have now cleaned it so good as I can. The rest is a bit of this stuff, but I will try to get this really great out. But you can see here the small holes here everywhere. The small fucking a lot holes here, like you can see. This is because this special thermal compound here. And I think this is the reason why they get about 2 or 3 or 4 degrees hotter than as with the normal thermal compound. But this is that what I already said a lot of times. This is, yeah, they do this, yeah, they do this so that the people can't open it, and maybe this is a small protection what they do here, but I don't like it. I must really say I don't like it. Now you can see my camera already a bit, and yeah, it gets clean. It's already, we can say we can use it now, but I will try to clean that 100%. But it's not that matter if I will use it like that or if I use it when it's really clean. At last, this now is much better than it was before, and I hope you can see the small holes here. A lot of them are here, and I think this is the reason why they are not that cool like they was before. Yeah. Okay guys, I'll keep working here. So guys, take a little cream, then you can clean this also after you have cleaned that with a knife. Yeah, let me show you this. So you can break this knife at the size that you like, and then you go on here and clean it, yeah. This is really hard stuff, I don't know, this is fucked up, this shit here. and yeah, it's really like some kind of metal. Yeah, strange thing, and this is really shit, I think, because yeah, it's hard to get out, and this in my eyes fucks the chip with the time. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just fucked up. I will clean this now again and keep clean that as much as I can. So guys, I have cleaned it all like you can see, and yeah, you also can see that the transistors are not only here, they are also on the left side and up. The right side is not with transistors at the i7 920. And here, like you can see, it's all now very clean. And yeah, I will add now the thermal compound and I will test. Yes, I hope you guys like it, and I hope I could help some guys out there that have some problems. Now you can see how to open the Intel CPU's 1366 socket, and it's the same for the 1155 or for the newest 2011 socket. It's always the same. The new CPUs, since the socket 775, they got this shitty thermal compound here. Yeah, it's a bit a shame for Intel, but whatever. So guys, add your CPU inside, make the P method, or however you want to add the thermal compound, it's your thing. And I've done the line, like you can see, because the CPU is more, yeah, like, it's not a quadrat, you see, so that's why I did a line of thermal compound. And then you get your, wait, let me take it, the heat shield, second, so and then you add the heat shield over there, and then you close this part here, yeah? And when you have closed this here, the thermal compound will really get very great inside, okay? So do it like I have done, put the CPU inside, add the thermal compound, put the heat shield over there again, and close this thing here, and then it will be very good together. I pause now because with one hand it's bad. So guys, it should look like this, like you can see. I have put it over there, and then we go on and we close this here now, slowly, like you can see. Okay, looks great. Then you press with one finger here, and then you close it. Okay, press with one finger here, and then you close it. So guys, and done. Hope it looks great. And at this way you can go on here, okay? Yeah, here we can see the rest of the old Arctic Silver 5, but this is, yeah, I just forgot. I will not open it again. You can clean this over here, it's no problem. Then you put here the P size, yeah, you can make here a pearl of thermal compound, and now here you can do this method for computers, it's no problem. Okay, it should look like this. Now you can see the pearl over there. This is the P method, like the most like, and now we can do this so, and whatever. Do it at your way, at last it's not that important. This is great so, and I hope you like it. Okay guys, it's finished now. I will take a look and test, and yeah, I don't think the temps will be that better, but the most important thing is that we got the shit out, so the CPU now can live a little bit longer. And maybe for the freaks that want to cool it with water cooling systems, for these freaks, yeah, it's a great method that you can get 1 or 2 degrees better. And yeah, I will test it now and let's see. So guys, I'm ready, and let me make it on. So, should be on now, yeah. Okay, yeah, now let's turn the computer on. Make on the monitor. So I will disable the lights because yeah, it's working. Nice for me also. But I trust my work that much. That's why I do this all. But I think the temperatures are maybe not that great, or at the same, I would say. Yeah, it just tells me that I have installed a new CPU. Wrong error. But it happens a lot of times when you insert the CPU again after a time. Okay, it looks great. Let me check it. Maybe it's not overclocked now because I had now the message that the CPU is new installed, but wow, it looks very great. Hey. Okay. But I don't know, because we already have turned on the computer now fresh. We are at 26, 25, 28, 30 degrees. And yeah, we need to wait here a little bit because I just know the idle temps was about 44 at 302 gigahertz. And yeah, I hope it will stay at this temperatures here. But let me check the system, because I don't know at what speed it's running, so let me check this. Yeah, it's standard. Okay. It's all it's standard. I will overclock it at 302 gigahertz and test it again. But the temps are really great. I'm really surprised. And the i7s are really a lot times hot. I had one long ago. He was at idle, I think it was at 44 degrees, 45 sometimes, and he was not overclocked. So that's why I say I'm really surprised now about this temps. And long ago also I did lap it the same CPU. I've lapped them really slim, but it was not that difference. But I think this now here, it's really a great difference. So let me check in. Okay, yeah, now it's overclocked again. At 3 gigahertz, we can go at 302. Let me check this. Here I have saved it already somewhere. Okay. Whoop. Let's go back. Check it. Yeah, it's alright. Looks right all here. Put this up again here. And just want to check all the voltages and so, because I don't need to run that so fast always, and I want to save a bit energy. So let me see that. Yeah, it's enabled. That's right. So you can clock down when he is working, and it must not always work at full power. So I think it was alright now. Let me save this now here. And yeah, like I told, normally I must let him run now for about 5-6 minutes, but now he is already on about 2-3-4 minutes, I think. We are talking now, let me see on the clock. We're talking now 5 minutes. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. The only problem is really that you need to make the CPU a bit hot, and don't get panic. It's fully okay when you put him on the oven. He will not damage. The problem is just when it's the system running and then it gets that hot. That is, yeah, a little bit hardcore. But if it's not working, you can make him hot. It's no problem. So silicium gets about 2000 degrees at the production, and yeah, we are now at nearly the same times. We have overclocked, don't forget it, 302 gigahertz, and we are now at 35 degrees after 6 minutes now exactly. And yes, I really like it. Let me check now if all is okay. So these are also the settings for Battlefield. Yeah, 302 gigahertz like you can see. And it looks very good. Okay, I hope you guys like this. And I will keep you know if some things change it, but I'm really happy now with these temps. It's just awesome. I will let him now run a bit, but normally he should get now about 44 degrees again at 302 gigahertz. Like you can see, he's clocking down when it's not working, and that's how I like. Okay guys, I wish you the best. I hope you like this video, how to open Intel CPU, and if you have some questions or whatever, then feel free to ask me and subscribe my channel if you like. See ya, and like always, peace up.